Okay, advent code, day number 5. Let's go. Supply stacks. I love stacks. Stacks need to be rearranged. Oh man, are we doing Towers of Hanoi? Which crate will end up where? They have a drawing of the starting stacks of crates and the arrangement procedure for your puzzle inputs. In this example, there are 3 stacks of crates. Stack 1 contains N and Z. Stack 2 contains 3 crates. From top to bottom, they are crate M. From bottom to top, they are crate M, C, and D. Stack 3 contains D. Rearrangement procedures given move 1 from move 1. Stack 2 to 1. Second step, 3 crates are moved. Okay. So you move this amount. In the second step, 3 crates are moved from stack 1 to stack 3. So that's all the crates, but it still is first in or last in, first out. Which crate will end up on top of each stack? So you get 3 letters. Oh, but this is kind of difficult. Day 05.txt. I think everything is going well. Oh, okay, but this is kind of There's spaces in between. For 5. Does it at least fill it all the way to the right? Okay, it does. 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 3. Okay, let's start with first things first. We got all the lines. Nice. Actually, so what I want to have in this case is that I have all my text, and then I do box config and commands is lines.split based on the double enter. So then we have box config. Cool. Gives us that. Then we can say okay, so we have our box config here. This looks pretty good. And then we go over each of the lines. Actually, this is a bit weird. I probably want to do this reversed, because then we have from bottom to top. What we at least need is these stacks. What I'm going to do is import my favorite data structure, the default dict. Once you get a default dict, you know it's going to be fun. So we get a default dict with a list, and I will make a dictionary with for each number the like things which are in there, and we can use the lists as stacks very easily in Python. can always just pop things to lists, but I'm not very sure how I do this. Okay, so box config is box config so we can, because we can skip the first line for line in box config. Now I want to have this chunker function again. I think. So we've got this, and then we can say chunks is chunker line, and we just established that we have 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We always have 4. Do we always have 4 characters? 4 characters. Print the chunks. Okay, I will just immediately process it here. Okay, perfect. I think WR. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Yeah, cool. Then the letter is, and this goes up to NCQ, which is indeed the top. For index and letter in enumerate chunks. And then we say boxes I+1. I will do this. Append chunks, append letter 1. Okay, and now if we look at the boxes, we can see that 1 is DMS RUP all the way up to N, WPQ all the way up to S. Okay, and then the question is if letter 1 not is empty thing, only then do we want to append it. Cool, so now we actually have the boxes. Cool. Then we go to the commands for line in commands. Let me import regex. Numbers is get all the numbers, print numbers. Print them numbers. Oh, okay, this is somehow not working. Print line. Oh, okay. We of course need to split our commands as well. So then we get int is perfect, and actually we can already say like, so we have an amount, source goal, right? Move the amount of boxes from source to goal. Let me add this here. The import goes on the top because otherwise it's too ugly. For in range amount, boxes go.append boxes source.pop. So actually I think in this case boxes source let's just do it very ugly. So we add the last one, boxes source is boxes source to -1. Oh, and the question is let me actually copy paste the example input because I think that will help me a lot here in this case. That's always good. If it does run, it's not good actually. It was a joke. We have to see an MCD MP, then we move 1 from 2 to 1, which would give us ZND, MCP, then we have move 3 from 1 to 3, and then we should get MCBDNZ, yeah, and then we have move 2 from 2 to 1, which gets us CMBDNZ, and then we have move 1 from 1 to 2, which gets us CMBDNZ. Yeah, that's perfect. So then, okay. So then what is going wrong? Oh, okay, I have a feeling. I think I know it. Print line and numbers. I think I know what's going on. I think once we get into the double digits, this is probably going wrong or not. Let me remove this print and see if my hunch is correct. Oh, but here it says move 31. And the first step of flip off. Huh? Am I dumb? Is there really move 12? Okay. Because this looks perfect. It extracts the 31, 7, and 1. Oh. Okay, never mind. I think it's just that at the end. No. Okay, so it says not enough values to impact got 0, but then why does it do this? Okay, what I guess I can do is if len numbers is 0, continue. Luckily I can spell. Okay. So we get one till 10. Yeah, let's just say string plus is boxes. There we can copy paste. It's always good if you are too lazy to do things. Okay, so this is not the right answer. Please return to day 5. But now I of course have to wait for a minute. Oh, it's the top of each stack. You know what this is what you get if you are not reading the questions correctly. FWNS I have 22 seconds left to wait. I wonder how good the leaderboard is looking already. It's already full. It's crazy, huh? But here we have people. At least people didn't use GPT-3, I guess, immediately. 1 second left to wait. Okay, 1 gold star. What's next? Part 2. Some mud was covering the writing on the side of the crane. You quickly wipe it away. The crane isn't a crane mover 9000, it's a crane mover 9001. Way better. Air conditioning, leather seats, an extra cup holder, and ability to pick up and move multiple crates at once. Okay, so in this case they stay in the same order. I will just do this in a very ugly way. Boxes go.extend perfect. Look at this. This should work, I think. And then we get the RNGR. Woohoo! Okay, cool. This time not in the top 1000. So that is sad, but I guess that's what you get if you are completely doing weird things. Although this isn't that weird. I'm still wondering why if I do find all. Oh, okay, because it just always runs a find all, and if it doesn't have anything, it just returns nothing, which makes sense. I could have also just checked if the line actually existed, I think. So if not line, continue. And yeah, just looking at the code, doesn't look too bad. I kind of like it, I think. I like that we automated this part instead of just typing this over. I hated that we had to wait for a minute, but yeah. course we need an else statement here. Yeah, cool. Anyways, that's it after the code cleanup, I guess. So have a nice day. Hope you liked this new video. Whoever person actually watched it today, and have a nice day.